Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into using Teamwork.com for workflow management in film production. First up, you need to create your project on Teamwork.com. Simply go to the Projects tab and click Add Project. Fill in the project details such as the name, description, and start and end dates. This step is important as it sets the foundation for your entire film production workflow. Now that we've done that, it's time to break down your project into tasks. Go to the Tasks tab and click Add Task. Write down each task that needs to be accomplished for your film production. It's crucial to break down your project into tasks because it gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done and helps in assigning responsibilities to your team members. Next up, assign each task to a team member. On the task, click Assign To and select the team member. The reason we do this is to ensure that each team member knows what they're responsible for. It also helps to streamline the workflow and avoid confusion. Right, now that your tasks are assigned, it's time to track the progress of these tasks. Teamwork.com has a task progress feature that allows you to see how much of a task has been completed. This helps us because it's a visual way of monitoring the progress of your project. Lastly, use the Communication feature on Teamwork.com to keep your team updated. Go to the Messages tab, click on New Message, and write your updates. This feature is significant because communication is key in film production. It ensures everyone is on the same page and helps in identifying and resolving any potential issues quickly. And that's it. A quick and easy guide on how to use Teamwork.com for workflow management in film production. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless workflow that keeps your production on track. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy